One of the most frustrating parts of project management is keeping track of all the changes. If only there was some way to keep a record of all the changes, right? Well, look no further, because with Plaky, you can keep track of changes with a board activity log, item activity log, and the last seen feature. This helps the team see what's going on, who's doing what, and when certain actions happen. With these logs, you can cut down on precious time without the need to repeatedly ask the same questions on details. Collaboration will be much more efficient, and info is easily accessible to your entire team. Let's go into the details and see how they work for us. The board activity log serves as a comprehensive archive of all actions and modifications taking place within a designated board. You can access your activity log on the top right menu and click Activity. It captures actions or events, such as the creation, alteration, or removal of tasks, reorganizing items in or between groups, and various other activities pertinent to your board. Say, for example, you have a very large project and a small but significant change was made to the status for a task and you need to find out when. You can check the board activity log and find out when the change was made. You'll find having this log is a game changer for maintaining transparency of what goes on in your project at all times and a historical record of how your board has evolved over time. The item activity log, like a task diary, keeps track of everything that happens to a specific task. It records when the task was created, who made changes, added comments, and even updated its status. To access it, click on the task item to open up the item card and select Activity on the top menu. From there, you'll have a full timeline of what changes were made and who made them to make managing your projects much easier. As an added bonus, you have the option to filter info by time, group, field, title, person, or event type. You also have a search bar if you're looking for something specific. So for example, if you want to check if a certain team member has finished a task, you have the option to scroll through the activity log timeline, or use the filter function and select matching criteria, or you can use the search bar and type the name of the person or event type. The last seen feature gives the user access to seeing the last action that a team member has made and when. It offers a transparent view of what's going on in a project and promotes accountability by seeing when a team member was last active and their availability for better communication and collaboration. This can be useful for coordinating discussions and ensuring that team members are online and can respond when needed. You can access this feature in the board activity log on top of the menu next to Activity. Now that you've gotten familiar with all of the features for tracking changes, let's do a quick recap. To ensure that you stay on top of everything in a project, you can use the board activity log where you can keep track of all the changes made to a board, including updates, assignees, additions, etc. From there, you can check the item activity log to track changes made to tasks. And finally, you have the last seen feature to see which team member was last active. Now you have a better standing on keeping up to date on your projects. Thanks again for watching this tutorial. For more information on how to use Plaky, you can visit our website at www.plaky.com and find more videos like this, or visit our YouTube channel. That's all for now, and we'll see you next time.